we got the Jake 4 arrival, GVE transition. So,
Gordonsville.
Yep, so from Gordonsville
to
Booyah,
that was
no restrictions, Batwing, no restrictions,
For Pat 44.
to Swan,
Pat 44,
nothing,
Batwing. All right, thank you very much. After Nashville,
Batwing, Mitch, then Swan.
Southwest 3266, turn 10 degrees left, exit traffic.
And JGen, nothing,
Southwest 3266.
and Boozy, nothing,
Nothing.
Jake at 13,000.
Spencer. Nothing at Spencer.
Yeah, okay, I see Spencer, nothing there, then Jake at 13.
Jake at 13. 13 doesn't have the box.
Alright, and Eileen at 13.
Eileen 13, hard altitude in the box.
Wacky, 11 and 250.
Listen, Eileen just landed 79 at 340.
And then Maze has nothing.
Allegiant 11,
And then Regal at 7,000, and we'll be doing 250 at that point. Then on track 059 to SPJ VOR.
Wait, after Regal, what about
247
SPJ?
American 282.
So after Regal, then on track 059 to SPJ VOR. Then on track 059, expect radar vectors and final approach course. And SPJ is 12.9. We'll have it in green needles to back up. We could, is it showing SPJ?
3 minutes or less, maintain public.
I'm assuming since runway 19 opens back up at 11, I'm assuming we'll be using ILS for runway 19. We'll plan on that. And let me know when you're ready. Alright, so we got 110.15 for localizer frequency, 195 inbound. Starting off tugs at 1,500 feet. We'll hit all these altitudes as a hard altitude up here. So unveil at 2,100, tugs at 1,500. And with the bottom of the approach is 241. We put 240 on the DA. And airport elevation is 6 feet. 2,900 feet MSA around the area. Miss approach straight at 500. Up to right turn 1,500 direct to Booba. Bugby, however you say that.
Yeah.
Center
Commander 4276, flight.
You're reading it right. That is interesting. So the mist, straight ahead 500 feet direct, right turn 1,500 direct to Bugsy. And then on to exam, track 275 and hold. Continue climb and hold up to 3,000. Bugby's a mandatory altitude of 1,500. And what's Yeah, everything's 1,500. So anytime there's an altitude, we're not going to put the top in on the departure. We're going to put all the crossing restrictions in. But that is really interesting that on a non-RNAV approach, an ILS, the missed approach is predicated off RNAV.
They're getting more and more complex over there. Making our job harder.
There's no lead-in radio for Bugby or exam off the SACs like there is unveil and tug. So the mist is completely predicated off of RNAV. There is a radar required, so if you don't have RNAV, I suppose that's your out there. They'll have to.
42502, contact Denny Center.
Just wanted to point that out.
4.22.
And that's pretty cool. If we have to land off of that, off of 19, we're going to Meridian, and that's going to be a right turn off, probably something like Gulf, straight over into Meridian. As we talked about before, they are using runway 24, and that would be the GPS with 24, which, thank you, Jepson and Universal, that's not in our box. But if we have to, 233 inbound, and we in those as we already looked, those fixes are in the box. So we'll put in Nippy, Wheezy, Shrew, Angle, Fat. So we just won't be able to shoot it if they're actually shooting a real approach, but we can fly it just in VFR, which the forecast is showing that. So hoping for 19 on the ILS to make it a little more official. Any questions?
Nope, none at all.
It's full clear in New York class Bravo airspace. Cleared into the Bravo airspace, crew check 554.
Approaching for clear 031, we have the airport inside about 1 o'clock now.
Rose 31, clear visual approach, runway 19er, maintain 170 knots, control 5 miles per hour, contact tower 19.5, good day.
Okay, so 170 at the final, clear with the visual on that.
Number 1, Mike Papa, descend to maintain 3,000. Would you like a visual approach?
That's fine,
Down 3,000, yeah, we can do the visual 1 like that.
3,000.
3,000 set.
1 Mike Papa, roger, turn right, heading 080.
Right turn 080, down 3,000, 1 like that. 404 at the field, so that would help.
Desert 404, Roger, turn right at 120, your sequence is a citation at 1 o'clock in about 5 miles to 2,000, 1,500 correction.
Alright, turn 120, look for the flotation, Desert 404.
Everybody's the same speed down here, dude.
Yeah.
You can.
Desert 404, your clear visual approach, runway 19, maintain a 160 knots till 5 mile final, tower 19.5.
Alright, clear for the visual 160 till 5, and then over the tower, Desert 404, you have it going.
You see the Snoopy Stadium?
I do not see the MetLife Stadium yet.
Should be off your shoulder over there somewhere.
Oh, Mike Papa, turn right at 0 down to 0, maintain 2,000.
Alright, turn 090 down to 2,000, 1 Mike Pop. 2,000 is
2,000, I see it. 090 on the heading. And that puts us
What is your position?
on the rumble.
Currently 48.9 miles west of flying to Charlie Yankee Tanky, 3,500 for 8,500.
Is that us right there?
Say your destination?
Charlie Yankee Tango Zulu.
I haven't been up here enough to know. So Hotel Kilo Squawk 0321. You're right over the Sparta VOR, you can just say that. 7 Hotel Kilo Squawk 0321.
0321, 7 Hotel Kilo.
Number 1 Mike Papa, speed your discretion, advise when you have Teterboro in sight, 2 o'clock, 8 miles.
Alright, speed our discretion, we'll advise when we get it in sight, 1 Mike Papa.
You see what I'm talking about right here? There looks like the strip
Yeah.
in between.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's probably it. We'll just back it up with
Yeah,
this. You want to tell them we got it in sight?
that looks 8 miles, right?
Yep.
7 Hotel Kilo, did you copy the code 0321?
I'm showing 8 miles away, so this is the destination, 8 miles.
Okay, yeah,
And 1 Mike Pop has their field in sight.
1 Mike Papa, clear visual approach, runway 19, contact Teterboro, town 1195. Have a good day.
Alright, clear vision approach, runway 19, going over the tower, 1 Mike Pop, appreciate it.
make 15. Oh, I got it here.
Alright.
Flaps approach, check.
Flaps approach, speed checked. That's 2 notches. Teterboro Tower, citation 641 Mike Pop is check noise visual, runway 19. Where we're going, Meridian?
Yeah.
Citation 611 Mike Papa, Teterboro Town, wind 1804, runway 19, clear to land.
Good land, runway 19er. Yeah, we're going to Meridian. Pretty much say that's it, isn't it?
Yeah. Sorry, I was getting the box.
No, you're fine. Still good.
Let's go gear down.
Check gear down. Gear down to 3 green.
One 9, everything lines up with what it should be. I'm going to the approach taxi diagram.
Alright. 4 landing, pressurization, landing gear down.
3 green.
He's good switch is on, landing lights. We have been cleared to land. Lights can go
Section
up or down when we're clear to land.
ground point 9.
Oh, crap, on that, Victor 44. When do you have a second, man?
What's up?
What are the lights when we're cleared to land? Are they where you want?
Yep, they're up. We're clear to land.
Alright.
Sorry,
No, you're good.
you know what the Z-nav. Autopilot y'all damn away.
Alright, back on speed brake check. Yep. Before landing check complete.
Alright, let's go flaps, landing, landing checks.
Landing checks, speed checks.
Not a great intercept on it, but that's my fault. Alright, 3 green flaps, landing, clear to land.
Clear to land.
2 red.
Let's see, 2 white, 2 red. Or jet aviation is where we're going, right?
What?
Jet aviation?
Meridian.
Meridian. Oh, okay, I see it now.
I didn't mean that to sound as rude as it did.
Oh,
Sorry.
no.
I don't know why. Not sure why it came out that way.
Oh, good.
Alright, 3 green, flaps landing.
We are clear to land. I see 19. Little left center line, but you're good. Corrected. 5,000 remaining. 6 lights. We got a master warning for something.
That's
1 Mike Papa, turn right, 1 able, ground point 9.
Alright, 1 able, ground point 9, 1 Mike Papa.
after landing.
And ground citation 64 Mike Papa.
Crew, that's a visual approach on a gorgeous day into Teterboro, New Jersey, backing it up with the GPS to runway 19. I hope you enjoyed the flight. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments below. Like if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch you on the next flight. In the meantime, fly safe out there.